Welcome to FC Abdu. Nova Elements currently is free on the iTunes, or doing this demo on the iPad 3. I highly recommend this app simply because this is a very smart way to learn a little bit about chemistry. There we have three options here, three button-like icons. So explore, you will explore the interactive table, and I haven't been in touch with this elements for like ages. And we could build one of these. Let's see if we could. RU, too complicated. We need some easy one to build. What is that? Sulfur 3s2 3p4. Need something like H2O. I don't even know how to pronounce that stuff. Too complicated. Number 5, He, boron 2s2. Let's try to build this. I'll show you what I mean. But more of this will be explained later in the play option. So number 85, I can't really build it. There are instructions.
This is the atomic sandbox. Add protons, neutrons, and electrons to build a stable atom.
So if you
The
hit
number
plus,
of protons is the atomic number and determines the element you have. To determine the number of neutrons an atom should have, subtract its number of protons from its atomic weight. Stable atoms typically have a balanced number of protons and electrons.
hit submit.
Your atom is unstable.
Unstable. So if you just do auto build right here.
You have limited time to stabilize your atom.
Okay. So hit
Your
submit.
atom is complete.
Complete. Okay, so if you knew how the properties of it, you would be able to build it. And you have your complete list of elements here, periodic table. Go back home. Let's click on this watch button, and you could see this. This is hunting the elements. It's a PBS show, and you have all these chapters. For example, if you play, this is almost 2 hours. And you need to be connected to the net.
Why do bombs go boom? You created fire!
Okay, and then you have all these chapters, and you can go online as well to see more stuff by PBS Play. So this is the fun part by David Pogg. Okay, so we're gonna try to build something simple. Let's see, vitamin B6, if that is simple enough. So you'll have your okay, maybe it's simple. Let's see, look at all of the other ones. Vitamin D versus vitamin C. Okay, so the game here is this is the element property C8. I don't know if you guys can see that. Focusing is difficult. C8 H11 NO3. So C means carbon 3 or carbon 8, and then H means hydrogen 11, N means nitrogen. There's no number, that means it's 1, and oxygen 3, that means three of those oxygen. So basically you're like involuntarily learning the properties without even getting into a science class or a chemistry class. So let's try to do H11. So you need to find something that has 11 circles. So for hydrogen, let's see, that has 11. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, good. And then next number is carbon. The next lower number, carbon of 8. So let's try carbon 8 of those probably. Nope, that's 3. So 3 is not good. We know 3 is oxygen. Let's see if we can replace. No, it doesn't let you replace it. So try oxygen. Clear. 3 of oxygen. Hydrogen, we'll do 11. And then we have 8 carbon. So that looks like 8. Alright, so we have 1 nitrogen. So that's 1 right here, 1 empty circle. That's for nitrogen. If you now it should be done. If you hit submit.
Nice job! Your molecule is complete.
Okay, cool. So we're gonna do one more, vitamin C. Or we'll attempt. If it's too complicated, we're gonna have to skip. So carbon 6, H, or hydrogen 8, and oxygen 6. So let's look at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. If we have 12, doesn't really make sense. Let's try it. So hydrogen 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 8. And then we need 6 of carbon and 6 of oxygen, 6 each. So that's 6. 1, 2, 3, cool. And carbon, the rest of the 6. Perfect. Hit submit.
Oh, some of your elements are in the wrong positions.
Oh, okay. So I probably put the carbon and oxygen in the reverse order, or different location. That's why hydrogen is still in the same place, carbon is not. Let's see if that helps.
Some of your elements are in the wrong positions.
So let's try. Carbon goes here, that goes there.
Completed the molecule.
Alright, so this is why I can recommend this game, especially if you're in science or you got a chemistry class. Very fun way to learn the elements. Maybe you get to remember it, memorize it, and whatnot. Check it out. Thanks for watching.